Alright, now we're going to learn how to draw simple 8-inch abstract walls. First, we want to hide the dimensions. I pick on any of the dimensions, go right down here, choose Isolate Category, and it would hide those categories. I take one of the texts, go down here, choose Hide Category, it would remove it temporarily. I take this, go on over here, Hide Category, and it does it. If you go here, you can reset it and bring all of that back. Now I want to draw a series of walls in 3D right on top of here. I go to Wall, I go choose Architectural Wall. I go on to Properties, and I choose 8-inch wall. You have the option of going through all of these very complex walls, but initially we want to do 8-inch generic wall, similar to what we drew. We would like to change it from the center to either interior face or exterior face. I'm going to go with exterior face. If I go this way, you can see how I can just run right on top of it, go to corner, zoom close, corner, zoom close, corner, and zoom close, and corner. You say, Nazi, what did you do? You can't see it. The power is in 3D. So we would like to see it in 3D like this. So now we have drawn the walls in 3 dimension, and the walls are drawn over here. I can see it in 3D here. If I pick any of the walls, it will give me the wall and says this wall was composed with the finished faced exterior unconnected to any floor or ceiling at the height of 20 feet. I can change the height to 10 feet if I like to. I can pick all of the walls with a tornado pick and also change the height, again, 10 feet, and done. And so I can change the height, I can edit the height, the location, and where it goes.